V-Picks of Nashville, Tennessee, made by Vinni Smith. Vinny makes, okay, if you go to the V-Picks website, you can get there through acousticlife.tv. Click on episode 48. You'll see a link, a full review of the V-Picks, and then also a link to get to Vinny's site. Vinny offers, I think, the most shapes I've ever seen from any pick manufacturer. Truly, I mean, we're talking, I'm astounded at some of the shapes. Shapes, we've got, let's see, there's the EKG, there's the stiletto, the chicken picker, the mummy, the black hole, the jalapeno, the euro, I mean, and the list goes on. There's so many different shapes and styles of picks, but they're all made out of this cast acrylic, which is a really cool substance. Now, for my experimenting, I tried two different kinds of picks. I tried, the first one I tried was the green one, the jalapeno, which I meant to bring in today, but it's actually on the headstock of one of the guitars I have at home. My Gibson SJ has a jalapeno pick stuck on it. And then I tried two versions of the Euro pick, both the clear acrylic and the kind of the smoky black acrylic. And of those picks that I tried, I really enjoyed the jalapeno because it just had great surface area and I had great control and accuracy with it. Now, these V-Picks, I only tried a small percent of what's offered. Like I said, there are so many shapes that Vinny has made and different thicknesses, but it's all this clear cast acrylic material, which now my only experience with acrylic material was a couple episodes ago I featured these Diodario Acrylics picks, right? And I thought, okay, acrylic picks, this is what I'll get. No. I think they're two different materials. The Diodario Acrylics pick is much softer than what Vinny uses, V-Picks, what they use. So it contributes, there's a little flex there, and it's a little bit of a duller tone. Not a bad tone, just a duller tone. It's just different things, not good or bad. With the V-Picks, now I'm choosing the Euro here, I noticed that the material was much stiffer. And I thought that really issued a nice, clear and articulate tone, but also brought warmth. So it was this cool spot in the center of the tonal spectrum where you get the best of both worlds. You get a nice warm body of tone, but also this clear articulation. And I just, hats off to Vinny at V-Picks because these things are really cool. Now, I didn't like the Euro so much, just mainly due to size. It was a little bit smaller, and I just had a hard time controlling it. But the jalapeno was my jam. I mean, I've used that. I used that at a couple gigs, and I thought, this is really rad. But speaking on that, again, that's just a fraction of what's offered, a small percentage. There's so many different picks, and I think Vinny does a great job of really trying to cater to every guitar player. But what I love is it's all the same material or a similar material. I mean, there's varied colors and things like that. And it's a real true experiment in how pick shape actually affects tone. So I would encourage you to check out V-Picks. There is something for everybody. There's a shape, a guitar pick shape for everybody.